you have your juice that you have juiced out, and you'll put it in a glass here. Okay, you see that? Not bad, it looks good, definitely will taste good, but there's not much foam on the top, right? Here, I am going to show you a hack how to make super foamy cane juice without having to buy an expensive foamy cane juice machine. Check this hack out, okay? You will juice out your cane juice normally in a 3-roller machine, okay? And look here below. All right, you can see there is a little bit of foam, but not much. Okay, I'm going to show you how to double the volume of the amount of juice that's in here for your serving. The secret is the blender. Check this out, friends. Just take your cane juice, you could juice it out directly into a blender, or the juice that you juice out into your pitcher, put it in your blender. Okay, and put the top on. Now, all you have to do is hit the pulse button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now watch this, friends. This is so cool. Look at the amount of foam. Look at that. Look how much foam is in there, all right? Now, take your glass and pour it in. You see the color of the cane juice? It's almost like milk. And how much foam is in there? All right, now compare it to the non-blended cane juice. You see how much foam is in there? And this has a velvety taste on the tongue. And the vendor secret is, friends, to make this amount, we only used half the amount of juice it took to make this, to fill up this glass that doesn't even have ice in it. So this is the hack, how to make super foamy cane juice using a simple blender. And friends, you can save a lot of money. I've got machines, honestly, that make foamy cane juice, and a great job, a lot of foam. But friends, if you can't quite get there yet, you can use a blender, pulse it, in just a second, you have wonderful foamy cane juice. Let's drink it up. Great. And for those of you that like traditional, great nonetheless. All right, friends, cheers to your juicing.